Welcome to Impact Physics. We are going to be looking at question number 9B. Sorry for this. It's supposed to be 9B. 9B. Why 2022? Okay, so let's progress. So I'll just read the question for you. The diagram below shows a potential divider circuit. This diagram will be displayed. Then they say show that the V out will be equal to V in arrow 2 divided by arrow 1 plus arrow 2. V stands for potential difference, or you can say voltage. Now then they said we should find the value of R1 given V in over V out equal to 2.5, then R2 equal to what? 30 ohms. Okay, so let's carry on. So we are asked to find, first of all, what we have to show this. Look at the diagram. Now if you look at this circuit is the path provided for the flow of electricity. You will notice that V out, sorry, let's start from V in. The V in, because this is the potential difference. Is that okay? So this V in will be equal to I according to Ohm's law. So we're going to have R1 plus what? R2. The potential difference. Are you there? Now look at this potential difference across only these 2 ohms resistor. That's the V out. V out will be equal to I R2 because this one is only across this one. But this one is both for this R1 and what? R2, this V in. So let's carry on. So if we know this, we can just derive that. So therefore, what do we have? V out over V in will be equal to, what's V out? V out will just give you what? R2, I R2. I stands for the current over V in will be I in bracket R1 plus what? R2. Are you there? So I can take this one to the other side by multiplying by V in. So we are going to have our V out to be equal to V in, well, I R2 over I R1 plus R2. But this I, which is representing the current, we are not actually doing anything with it. So we're going to cancel this and cancel this because current is here, current is here. So we'll have that V in will be R2 over R1 plus what? R2. So we have been able to derive this. So the next thing is to find the value of R1. They gave us V in over V out to be equal to 2.5. So now let's progress. For us to find this for I, so let's find the value of R1. How do we find the value of R1? So now V in over V out is just for us to take the inverse of this. So V in over V out will just be equal to, for V in we'll have R1 plus what? R2 over, then V out will have R2. I did not bother including the I, which is the current. Are you there? So I'll just substitute. So therefore we are going to have, for V in over V out, we're having 2.5. 2.5 is equal to my R1. Remember, R2 was given to be what? To be 30 over what? Over 30. So if you should cross multiply, what do you have? You have what? You have 75. 2.5 times 30 will give you what? 75 is equal to R1 plus what? 30. Therefore, R1 should be equal to 75 minus what? 30. This will give you about what? 45 ohms. So that will be it. So that's the value of R1. That's the derivation we're asked to do. Thank you very much. My name is Mr. Operum Darlington. Do well to follow me on YouTube, subscribe and comment and share. Thank you very much.